Cho. Come on, simthandile umthanda babisa ngayo simthandile. Come on. Hey, today man, I'm not alone as you see, but I always find a Manchester today because guys, I'm not in Alex. I'm in Tembisa.
Welcome to the United States of Tembisa.
You understand? Today I'm in Tembisa. I was like chilling, checking females this side. I was like, you know what? Let me operate the quarter day. Let me operate. But this one is not just any quarter, it's a double one. You understand? Must guy one mala, but you know what? Because of we know you. Oh my God! I was like, oh wow, thank you guys. They're like operate the quarter for us. You know? I don't know, guys. I think we up now. Okay, though. You understand? You understand? I want to see good post on my trade, and I'm a special one. Next level. Today I'm not alone. I'm not alone today. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, it's your boy. My mailing Shabo, it's your boy.
Nah, just you should come along.
Fuck that. About it's your boy. Fit. This is my YouTubers. Mara sings issue for the sake of it out here,
yeah.
It's your boy Ralph Savage, yabo. Yeah, that's all I have to say about it.
Ralph Savage.
Ntwana yami is operator today Tembisa, yabo. So ngimzele nomgozi jo. Ngiphethe umgozi jo. Like ngiphethe umgozi.
I always say so Upper Alex, now I have to say Upper Tembisa. Welcome to Tembisa, man. Shit. Good that it's in Tembisa. You understand? First episode in Tembisa. More coming, I guess. You know?
Yeah.
So I'm grand.
I
I don't know this quarter. It's first time testing this quarter. Can you please test the quarter? Doctor, first bite in a quarter.
First bite in a quarter.
First bite in a quarter and rate the quarter of 10. I think we need to do it together because of, to me it's the first time.
I think shout out to Malum. I got Mara for me number first quarter in Tembisa like number one outside me. Operator lam.
Go pillar.
Main line, operator main line. So yeah, I think for me now, we're like best guy out there.
Tembisa.
Yeah, he's him. Ngama kota. Akayenzi kota ehlabayo. Hayi. Le kota le Joe. Ungayishawa nepapalazo.
Papalazo?
Right.
Papalazo, I want to test the first one.
So yeah, shout out to Malums bafethu. Sports akhona sila mina. So ngasanye kulahleka mawuzotofika vele ufuna uMalums. Everyone.
Oh, Malums indawo le.
Yeah. KwaLumza.
KwaLumza. Ngifisa ukubuza nje okay, sure. Let's get into it. Ubani mfisa introduce ubani twenzana. So what are you selling?
I think mina ngimusha kulezi zinto ze content nje.
Yeah, ubani
ngifan. Like
okay.
Ralph Savage njengoba ngishilo vele ecaleni kuwo wonke ama platform yabo Instagram, TikTok, yeah, it's on everywhere. So I think ngimusha kulezi zinto ze content. Yeah, into bengifrostana riding from Eskele outside yabo. Na bengumuntu vele ohlezi yabo. Akukha something, yeah, it's all.
Because of khona la bekubona khona la esokubona khona ngithola.
Oh yeah.
Umuntu ofikayo but waphinde waphelela emehlweni. Understand something by yini yakwenza waqala content and yini yaphinde yakwenza uba uyiyeke because of there was a time la ubungena khona like okay this is out.
Sure.
One special pass wise.
Sure. No, i-content ngayiqala vele Eskele yabo benginenye out yami uSibuda. Shout out to uSibuda bafethu. I-out bengipusha le yakuthi yabo sibalo kusitshuni content Eskele. In bengine team nyana ama classmate wami from Eskele. Bengipusha now vele besihlezi sine love yabo for the content vele. It's what until ngaze ngamitha amajita vele yabo.
Yeah.
Amajita se-Ivor abo Smiley. Shout out to Smiley bafethu. Best guy out there. Yeah, lo yabafethu ithembise yakhe ku content. Anginandaba ukuthi ngifuna ukuthina abafuna ukungizonda ngalento engizoyisho it's fine. But shout out to Smiley bafethu, he's him.
Tembisa.
Yeah, he's him. Tembisa. Tembise yakhe bra.
Shout out to Smile then I guess.
Shout out to Smile.
Big to Smile. Big Smile go. First bite okashaya first bite nje. Kune first bite in quarter then ready.
Indaba mangizoqala la outsama kusayeki.
Start nganam start. Start mona. On the first bite in quarter and read the quarter of 10. You understand?
12 out of 10.
Okay guys, kuzokala kumalumza mfethu uzobona bakukhambani skipani. Ngakho nje uyaqala content. Fair. Na kumanje sekusmesho pass, right? Yachuna kusmesho pass. Yini yakwenza ubusiyeke kusmesho pass because of ubusaza kahle.
I don't think it's special pass ngazitshela mina ukuthi ngiyasiyeka yabo. Like mengwesinye situation elife yabo. Whereby sangforced ukuthi ngimove away from lama out nani yabo impilo yami vele. Yeah, ubuntu bami. Yayithola I think ubumina bami ngabushiya vele la yayithola so life being forced ukuthi ngimuvele kwenye indawo yayithola bengithezi vele ngifuna ukushuta namajita yabo
but now you fun namajita
but yeah yabo kwaba ilezi zinto lezo
yeah
kwaba iloko bra mara I'm still on bafethu ku content
say on because of manje namanje sefana lamajita or nisaringe emafonini mara nabo smile nonke so
I think ngafell out namajita yabo amajita sewa big now sebenza izinto eziserious
and manje masofuna ungena phakathi
so kuba ngathi manje yabo after icloud yabafuthi yabo kanti vele bengikhona
from the start
mara
but no if uyangena no uzongathi
ithole awazi nje abantu bayaringa kuyoba ngathi manje uze ngebhanje and stuff or in yabo so
okay so do you think ngifuna siya kancane nami since okay do you see yourself uzivulele yakho channel one day and do your thing
I do nginayo i-channel nje ku YouTube angazi ngaposta next though nala ngeke ngayivula into zanjalo I think ngishoda ngama-tools mina I think mangathola izinto zami ezigrand yabo bese ke from there sengizobona ngihamba futhi yabo mara
coming soon watcha are you dating though
I'll tell
because of mina la ngisuka khona angisuka lana nje ngivakashile yabo lonto nami ngizoyibonela umndeni wami
ngihamisa ngekoda anyways ne ayikabi
awukutheni ringa nathi
mina according to mina maybe angazi yabo but according to mina bafethu I'm a free agent I'm looking between yatshona fede kona ngiyasearch nje ayikabi Jole Thembisa kunzima bra
yini yenza benzima lento because of I feel like most of the girls in Thembisa beautiful you know
ngithole into ezokudronka lo ezi out yase Alex yabo mawungazi mawufika la ngithole uzodronkeka cause ubuhle babo yibo buzokudonsa nje
bathi indaba zabo abaphilanga ekhaya do you think amantombazana aseThembisa because of Alex dog they will be like oh my god girls from Alex don't have aura they look beautiful but they don't have aura do you think girls from Alex they have aura Thembisa I mean do you think girls from Thembisa they have aura
fede ngayisho kanjani njami fede iaura bafethu hayi anye ngize ngibamele kulento leyo aura mina ngabamela ngetiming abana timing angazi bacabanga kanjani labantu laba mara bafethu
bacabangele emuva
bafethu umuntu abe muhle as beauty with no brains ungasingayi explainer kanjalo
most amantombazana
muhle nje 10 out of 10 ngimbeke la abe yi10
but no brain most amantombazana ayethembisa mahle but no brain on it
lutho nsizwe
so I want to understand something because of I think maybe sekaslam or lendi kuphi yabo leyo so manje ngifuna understand something ayikho sekaslam or because of most of guys Alex kuthiwa they do abortions so I want to understand in Thembisa they do abortions or bayamitha abantwana balabantwana sebangabantu
uvuka njalo uye clinic yabo ngabo ma8 ufike nje uyozibambisa iline nje lapha or edu test HIV or something ubheka iline yezisu lapha
eThembisa
ezikhishwa
so labantu
ngisho Thembisa ihlezi trenda ngezinto ezisinaks do khona abanye lahlela umntana idustbin abanye bayabaflash ezikolweni bathola abantwana ema toilets bra like
ezikolweni
what the fuck esigela 99
so labantwana baflash abantwana ezikolweni abantwana baseThembisa basafunda
mfethu mina sengizwela ama-out no wonder ama-out amabhayo angayiyabhayiziseko or angasebenzi based on izinto ezikaphela yazi ukuthi njalo ukubulala umntana I affect wena
affect her
no too cause into yena ngisho maybe ugel maybe angakushiya nase Kevin angakutshela wena wazi
awuyazi lonto
umntana so uzwa ngeindaba nje ukuthi mfethu yabo ukanje nakanje uma ngale izinto zakhe zikhambili kanti yayithona wafaka into yakhe intweni errong nje amfele nawo ama-outs nawo nyawo blame because what the fuck bro nawo ngihamba uhloma nje uyayithola so it's not about amantombazane kuphela yabo nama-outs now I think anyawo blame kule situation lesi mara ke
amajita like Thembisa I'm sorry guys I'm used to Alex hey
I would say Alex
I'm used to Alex guys I always talk about my guys but today Rego Thembisa want to understand Thembisa but what's going on in Thembisa you understand yini umehluko between Alex na Thembisa nocabanga yini different between amantombazana ase Alex na Thembisa
I-Alex anye ngiyikhulumele kangaka yabona because angiyazi nje yami. Mara amantombazana sithembisa ayageza bra. Ayageza nje yami. Abona ukugeza.
Bayageza.
Bayageza.
So do you think bageza more than amantombazana se-Alex?
Asifanye ngisho ukuthi Alex anye ngiyikhulumele ngoba ngelilanga ngizothola ngise-Alex bese ngiyangigijimisa kazi ngise abantwana base-Alex abagizi yabo. Bese ngixabana nabantu. Anye ngikhulumele kangaka Alex mara mina ikasi lami ngiyaliphakamisa nje yami.
Okay. But abantwana basethembisa bahla abanangqondo. They don't have mind.
Ungadronkeka mfana ngayini? Uzodronkeka Brian. Umbono futhi yabona ukukhuluma iVAR. Namhlanje fusho ngihlangane nama soulmate wama-4.
Yeah.
Mangibabheka tu Nkosi yami
Yoses.
Nayithola. Mara nami senyazibamba ngokwami zi-out because ngiyasazi situation sangayi ukuthi yabo sime kanjani.
Kayi
Ungazithola sohamba nemikozi sonama-letter
i3. So most labantwana bala kumikozi. Baleli la kumikozi. Mama,
bengizathi izinto zakhulupisana so.
Ingakho gcwele idudla la ithembisa.
Sami ngithola.
So ingakho le ithembisa gcwele idudla because of bala ku3 letters. Mikozi.
Uzothola udebe yeclinic. Sofuna amabanana usi.
Hayi.
Brian.
So mina ngifuna sibele ku content. Yeah, vaya kahle kodwa. Mnandi.
Ngiyakutshela uthama.
But shout out to Manchi Fellas though. Shout out to Manchi Fellas for life, you know. Kodwa they do tell Manchi Fellas is weird, I don't know lie. Because this is what Manchi sauce or something, you know. Okay.
Content yakina masimo, bro.
Understand something ngana. Based to content. Ubani ama content creator like tell me so owazwayo out of top 5.
Top 5.
Yeah, the top 3. Let's do 3.
I think will be 5 angiboni ukuthi izofika. Obvious one ngigayi out yami smile.
Yini yenza ubusmile ahluke ngakangako?
Untwana I feel like uyenze iYouTube yaba cool ethembisa. Ngingakhuluma ngibep maybe bakhona abantu abayicalile before yena
yeah.
But I feel like untwana kuze afike la khona manje ukuzwana nabantu.
Yeah, I think it's a
out abantu there.
Out train.
Out abantu.
Mina ngimcabi nje yami ngimcabi nje mara ngiyamazi isiphansi sakhe yabo.
Yathola umuntu ozwana nabantu, umuntu open, umuntu ohlezi yabo afuna ukwenza izinto ezintsha. So that's why yinto ekhipha untwana at the top uthembisa because there's no one umuva njengontwana. There's no one. Yathola bona untwana uqeda uqala ibrand no. Uyicala manje bheka ibrand yakho ivaya kanjani. Yathola and Smile jokunini ngukudm manje ami ngifuna le jersey uyabo.
Okay.
Ngifuna ukulithenga ngithola my out yami angazi story sakhe izinto zakhe zisebenza kanjani because you can even buy online and stuff yabo.
Oh, okay.
I think we Smile vele number 1. Number 2 ayigawuba.
So do you think if you are a content creator Thembisa and awu skima ngoSmile ungenzeka kube ingafezeki indaba yakho?
Hayi ingayenzeka. Ingayenzeka mara somehow along the way vele uzomthola untwana. If into yakho it's big enough.
Iyafika emehlweni akho.
Mayifika emehlweni akho uhlala wazi ukuthi big enough yetho.
No.
Aye ngikhulumela into zamajida ukuthi kenzakalani. I think number 2 ngayigala into yacava intwana yesibusiso. Sibusiso zokushawa nesibusiso nobabakhe.
No.
Yeah, I think intwana khona mele research usibusiso something. Yeah, le ntwana le I think enye enza amasiko.
Ehlungu.
And I think most of them are social lezi damato se Ivory cabanga.
Oh, most of the guy abashaya content base Ivory.
Amato se Ivory joy push. I think Ivory ba cool because bayabambisana abantu bakhona so. Yeah, ngazi into engicabangayo nami ukuthi yabo abantu abakhona
phambi kwamehlo kuyasizovela ngenye indlela.
Usiso ne timer lakhe she.
Oh, isibusiso ne timer.
I content yamajidi angihlezi ngiwabona ku FIP yami. Ama ngiscrolla ngihlangana nabo jo. Shout out to amajidi Spaniseni siblind bafethu.
Isibusiso ne timer lakhe bafethu. Shout out to you. Because to you niggas. You understand? Yeah. So best to you. You know cabanga bingakhulisa content ka Alex Thembisa. Because in Alex I feel like a lot of guys are content creators, you know.
Yeah.
And Alex I think ngumntu cool gara.
I think into engayenza iThembisa ibe semapini more. I think ama out more ngabambisana. asekeleni pride bafethu yabo ungabe ne-pride towards yabo abanye abantu oluje ukuthi wena ngeke usipane nobani because umntwana yabo ume kanje yeah I think mamajita mawungabekela i-pride yabo aside bahlangane nje I think ithembisi ngabe khona because baningi abantwana futhi abantwana bama-influencer aba-TikTokayo ama-promoters maningi maningi like us so I think mabangahlanganisa labo bantu because ngisho ukuthi kanjani angisho lento le kunama categories are different yabo kunabo DJ aba famous yabo ku-age group yethu kunalabo aba content creators yabo bona labo ama TikToker kube nama YouTubers yabo I think lento ihluka kanjalo mara still at the end of the day sonke senze content so I think labantu laba mabangahlangana guys nihlanganeni nike pride sibekeleni eside yabo niyenzeni into as one I thembisa mfana I swear to God Alex bafethu ingaba ne competition eserious
ngiyakuzwa mina mnganami ngiyakuzwa and into grand le kuba mfethu nathi we are willing to basisipanisaneni yanzwa
awubambisana njani
into grand ngiyangithola because mina bengithi le thembisa ngizoyishayela around ngiyaphuma ngiyangena understand but ngiyabona into grand manje nawe ngithola ama-outer nje ngawo afuna sisipane okay so something Ziyamporoma. You understand? It's right to rate there's 2 quarters, there's always 1 quarter, guys. What's the team is different thing. Ngitsheli la ngibasgayile mfethu. Yabona phela nami leqinga mfandi basgayile phela bacobani like yo mntwana azwakala tuna something no so. You understand? Like imamela I'm operating no so. You understand? Phela jam uthawujoli vele.
Hayo ngiyasaba
ungahlazeka lana kushuthi into engakuhlaza lapha because of abantu bayadlelana bayadliwa kuyadliwana
la yabona into engishaya ngama-outsasethembisa abafethu fede khona abangaba against mina ngalento mara shout out to ama-outs bafethu sibambisene
sharing is caring
asibambisene la no one has to so far
sharing is caring
mfana sharing is caring
sharing is caring ukuthi manje kuyadlelwana kudlalwa kwe-sharing uyaphasa skip and pass
awuthami ushare wakho yabona longest relationship mina nje ngeke ngaba nayo empilweni yami zoba honest 4 months
nakhona bakudlela
kuleyo 4 months izinto abangenzele zona Brian
nakhona kuyadliwa nakhona kuyadliwana
uyayithola njalo futhi ulucky enough if unepolo yabona ethembisa if unepolo
labantwana bayathatheka ngepolo
if uyipolo driver ithembisa
labantwana bayathatheka ngepolo
bayazi ama-polo drivers ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani so kuya ngokuthi umuntu ukhuliswe ekhaya elinjani yabo yakhona amajita discipline yabo
so manje if unapolo ama-chance ambalwa
singithi inhleke if unemoto ethembisa yeah him futhi imoto yakhona uyithola useseyintwana njengathi so awuba i-problem awuba i-problem nje alikho ipero ngeke uzoliphule la ngayini ayithola so I think into ephayisana abantwana abangayi guys bapha nithanda izinto too much
bathanda attention
nithanda izinto too much
bayathanda ukunaka bayathanda ukubamba
izinto ezinjalo yabo I think intombazana mawungakeep your hands to yourself uhambe uyomarket ufuna umsebenzi ube grand
most yabo abasebenzi babhizi nento zabafana
yayikasa like shout out to ama-out yabona ama-out ngiyawaphakamisela
ayabambisana
yabo ama-out ifela izinto ezigrand yabo kuyasipana ama-out ayaphusha yabo into ezinjalo mara at the end of the day kudliwa bona labantwana abangasebenzi yabo
abanjita ayosebenza acede mayiceda kusebenza
amabuya futhi ayabhola like so obvious kumele badliwe labantwana lawo yabo
amanjita mayiceda kusebenza ayabuya azodlilana
yayithola keep ukukhathala
abantomazana asethembile
la uyazi ukuthi uchera ukuyashisa and kite go through leyo phone nje yami go through leyo
yini kite
hayi kite obviously kite hamba nomoya Brian if you win direction yalezi wale if ziwa levu
so lamantombazana la athembisa sikhula amakite ahamba nomoya
kite nje amkhamba nomoya if nawe isikhathi sakho sokuba blind uhlala wazi ukuthi uyimagnet ayithola
usithola sokugilana namantombazana
ayithola
because apha kuthiwa esikakhulu la usuthi uchoma nogelo ukuthi that's my girlfriend kube kuthola amageta ayi-10 athi ngeke ndambamba mina
awuyenzi-ke leyo
awuchomi ngintombazana
and for example Brian for sure now if uyi-content creator or something obviously ngisho uhlezi umuntu osefonini awungitshele nje wena yipha i-couple or bathi best couple eke yaphuma eThembisa A1
Best couple.
unginemele at least one
Best couple. I am not into couples ngikho
ngoba wekho
akula couple
awekho nje
umuntu othi uyajola la uyadlela
awuso anjami usuku nesibindi kakhulu futhi mayo show off uCherry wakho yawu nesibindi bra because kuyenzeka umpost yazi umpost naye akupost nipostane mara balidlela solo kakusti aku profile picture mfana ahleli kanje mntana bamgove strong nawe solo kuhleli ku profile picture athi my man lapha ya nawe smile kakhulu ku McDonald kunenye local guy mfana emkhipha intuthu kabhlungu kabhlungu
iyamdasta
kabhlungu so aleyo mistake that's why ngithi mina mfana hayi isibindi sokuthi nyajola hayi
ungayenzi leon because ungabukusa ngabantu
yayithola nyopekiselela prime yithola because ngizamile lento angikhulumi ngento yokuthi yabo ngeke ngayizama
no nawe ke waposta wadelwa nawe
mfana yayithola mara hayi indlela yethu sonke yabo hayi kumele vele udlelwe ezi out ukuze nawe uqinisa imedula qinisa imedula
so lana abantu amazana lana amakhayitha hamba nomoya abanye bayadliwa bayadlelana abanye bayashare amajita ayasebenza abuya azodlela nje emsebenzini lonke lento yenzeka phela okushini
ekasi nje ekasi wesiphathu uCherry wakho makathanda utshwala ya
awuyenze kubugela adliwe ngotshwala ogelwa kuba uyadliwa because of uthengo lotshwala
Joe yazi ukuthi uCherry yakhona ukuza ne30 etshwala enamba dakiyo i30 yakhona boyele na endlini so usitshela uphuzeni utshela ukuthi uphuzeni ama tape la ekasi
indaba yama tape so most amantombazana la anama tape lawa
awuthiyami ngizokhuluma ezinye izinto ngicela ngibosha abanye kube benginesibindi sokumention amagama
kunama-tape aphumile
azongifaka enkingeni ayithola mfana akhona nje yabo akhona khona nale out le khona lo mlungu beka trend man khona le out nyana umbhebheni ale out ntana ngibona abantwana abafiwe engibaziyo ngamehlo wami baba phuthi indaba yakho ngisho baba
ebethatha la athembisa isikakhulu kuba
ayithembisa nala utapile ngayi abaziyo bayazi sister if uyazazi la uhleli khona uyazi nawe
bakubhebhile umbhebheni ukubhebhile akuduzile umbhebheni so okay
faka iduze emhlophe yayithola babaya nje yayithola babaya abanye ngibazi ngamehlo vele abantu bakhona bengihlezi sihlangane emakuleni yabo mara anyways I understand abafethu yazi South Africa job opportunities vele yabo ngizabathi nako 350 bani futhi yayithola so I understand abafethu yabo mara girls man bafethu mani ngasuku manekeleni ujolela indlala guys indlala ayikazi yabulala umuntu
labantwana abatholela indlala
aze yabulala umuntu indlala so if nje stay down yabo true to yourself usukume njengabanye abantwana mfethu uyospina but I think uzoba grand ungeke ukusebenzisa igqe as a source of income that's why we end up as fucked up yabo
esikakhulu abantwana basebenzisa leqhe for ukuba bathola amasento okuphila ingakho bangasebenzi
wesiphatha abanginyanyisa kakhulu laba abadoma umuntu akhona athengisa igqe for ukuthenga utshwala you understand if unomntana or maybe ufuna ukusizekile angeke sikujudge cause yabo maybe nawo ma tools nama resources ukuthi maybe nawe uyakhona ukuzinakekela yabo lento yakuspanela bakhona abanye abaspanelayo nje imspanela umuntu wakhona
vele karese ngayo futhi
yabona aphile futhi bese kuba nalaba ke
abashishiliza ngayo phansi
sishilize ngayo sisi bese ayikho into ayenzayo yabo obvious ihasile yomuntu asijudge bafethu sonke sinendlela zethu yabo
sonke siyagereza ngendlela ehlile
yayithola gereza ngayo mara ungaphindi Jesus Christ ushishilize mahala Brian kushishizela mahala Brian
sesiyasivala vele phoso ufuna uthini nefona ngaswitch sesiyasivala vele the last words yini ama advice or a word of the day ongayishaya
word of the day ngayishaya bafethu
nesithola ne drink
first things first ma out noma yini oyenzayo njalo ngifuna abadomntana muhle kanjani ubuyapi uze ngani bafethu ama condom mara eclinic condom mara nonda sinabantwana abaningi la elokushini abagijima abamakhanda amakhulu abangenabo baba yabo isuka la abantu ba hey so condomizani bafethu yabo condomless, no sex even if I'm under the influence. Yasho kanjalo out yami siyashisa yabo. So noma bathini nje ami kuyenzakalani mfethu ngamane kuyekwe
fubani madoda ngamane silaleni lalana ethatha uthi akinyaka
ngoba cabanga nje into ya 15 minutes izokumoshela impilo yakho
yonke
15 minutes ukuthi into bongayi-avoid leyo nja yami ayithona
sokukhamile manje
masingathemtheki bafethu condomizani bafethu so abogela bafethu it's never too late yabo sukuma mfethu shaya business nyana bhayisa amakhekhe amaswidi
so do you
hayi
think
le khekhe leliya bhayisa amakhekhe yabo noma yini yonke ethembisa prime yonke into iyathengwa la nawe ngakuthengisa manje ngihleli nawo bakuthenga.
Okay, I don't think I'm safe. Okay, bafethu if nginyamalele just know there was a guy ngishutha naye kola date.
Ngimbuzile and then you take G class.
Okay.
Ngayithola.
Man share subscribe man.
Nama out guys abafethu hayi bafethu mina yabona ngaqala ukujona. Bafethu out ezongidlela uCherry Ram bafethu angifuni ukunitshela amanganje ngizokudubula. Jami ngizokudubula
ngona shoot
Cherry yami le akunaza kubambisana eCherry yami bafethu.
Kuthethembisa uyadliwa udlelwane. I thought maybe Alex uphele file kanti wonke afile amagasi.
Yeah, yonke indawo inabantu bayo nje yami.
So do you think
la inabantu bayo?
So
if now papa.
So labantwana do you think babreakwa vele besebancane vele la kuma 16 17 bayasheshiswa?
I think amajiji ethembisa mfana angagcwala i7 seats.
Phela
abaphuziwe labantwana guys we are doing a great job my gents.
Oh no.
Keep your hard work.
Futhi manje akasekho majiji la endaweni.
Kuzoshela labantwana abancane labafunda ama grade 7
from there basebephuziwe.
Ethembisa ngathi mawungena high school nje
khona ozokuhlephula. Kuto from high school alisekho ijiji. Ethembisa.
Shout out to ama-gents angikhuthaza yabona nina bafethu nyancane nini ama out yiwangishaya kakhulu lezo mara masingavumelanini ngezinto ezisnacks yabo into engisho isnacks mara asiphusheni
man like share subscribe
yabo uthando lisesekhona kwamanye abantwana yengikhulumele ngisonke ugelwa sithembisa 3-1 yabo
most abalama 3-1
ya mawungabhekisisa grand nje yami yabo ezi out obvious angisho mawufuna lezi zinto ezikayo mele uboyihla i-out ehlezi nesikhathi yabo because nakhona ungathola ukuthi umosha isikhathi entweni engekho yabo uthola lapho uthi uya invest so find out akhona abanye phela afika ame lapha phambi kwakho umntana khona uhlezi asendlini in yabo kanti hayi nje 3-1 bra mina nizothi ama balls amshiye egate kanti ama out yabo. So yeah, bafethu I think abo girls bafethu you guys can do better yabo.
Samani impilo bafethu samani impilo.
Abantwana abasebenza mfethu umuntu ayisa ama CV e-roots bamqasha abe grand umntana abantu asibhibela yabo. So nina ungafuni ukuya ngabangani. I think into ebhayisayo la elokhuzane nekasi yabo. I-pressure yabo manje.
Do you think amajita la athembisa i-fake lifestyle wawo most yawo?
I'm not too much emajiteni nje yabo.
Awuchuna club.
Mina mfethu mina ngi-out eziphilela yodwa yabo nginabantu bami engiphila nabo so amanye ama-out anye ngiwakhulumela yabo because mara most yabo in fact ukuthi yabo bakhona ukuphula wona lawo mabhedi yabo umuntu uyahamba eJuza azitholela iteki lakhe lela Costa lelo ukuthi bamnyathelo ligcoka kayi-1 yabo awusaliphinde yabo uyahamba umntana abantu aziyele for ukuthi uyenzani ufuna ukureacha leso standard
so do you think i-pressure igcwele this side or
yeah i-pressure ngayi pressure is so much if
do you think amajita asikakhulu ayobhala amateki lekubo Joes bayathenga lezi zinto because of under pressure
nje awusihlezi kunezinja vele yabona indawo nendawo njoba le out yakho beyisho kule video yayo indawo nendawo ehlezi nezinja zakhona le vele yazikapa siyayazi umntwana yazikapa ithole nemali
ubani oshisa vele uthena ama-out nakho kakhulu.
Yeah, angike ama-outing kakhulu mara I don't think ama-outs are famous kakhulu ayithona because I think abantu aba-after i-cloud vele i-cloud isuke kuwe yabona ngaphathi for umuntu othanda i-social media lento isuke kuwe mara khona ama-out engaziwa asakhona yaziwa mara yazikapa ayithona so ikanjalo bra I think yenye into ebhayizisa ama-out le yabo i-pressure ukuthi in ayithona so bafethu I think nje wonke umuntu makangahlalele inini yakhe bafethu yabo hlalele inini yakho ushula into yakho bra ube grand stay away from amantombazana bafethu
Cho asisipaneni bafethu
harass bafethu so ama-gents wami ngitani nabafethu niyangikhuthaza intwana zangayizi yaphusha ziyaphusha bafethu ama-out ongayi most wabo we-colleagues yabo So shout out to ama-outs bafethu. Asiqhubekeni sishayeni into yethu. Amantombazana siwabona
lesi abafethu kubheka
the top.
last words if ufuna ngizwala ikati lakho shayi kodwa tell mina. You understand right now ngisethembisa sendleleni ye-Alex. You understand? I was like before ndlulo I was like everyone of face. You understand?
Asemyambe yaze yafika eThembisa.
Sethembisa simambisa bafethu like share subscribe. Like share subscribe I'm out of here.
Zonke.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.